Hello and welcome to another short episode on Maros Bonsai channel. Yesterday I was working here in my workshop on this Quercus pubescens oak. I was playing with it, doing some minor stuff, removing old branch here, shortening a little bit some branches here on this secondary tree, carving this dry part on secondary tree, and I didn't touch the top yet. As you can see from these sticks here, bamboo sticks, I was playing with the potential front, and I have a problem with this tree. I can tell you it's problematic tree from maybe day one when I collected it, and I will tell you the story of this tree. I decided that I will ask you what you would do in my case, and maybe you will tell me what is your opinion in the comment section. So, going back to this tree, I collected this tree maybe more than 10 years ago because I liked this secondary trunk and I like this movement here. I will pull the background down and you will see it more clearly, but I think you can see basically how it looks like. When I collected it on a picture from the year when I collected it, it was maybe that high, yeah? So over another half meter longer, yeah? So it was terribly high. This was mistake number one I did, and I kept it at this height maybe for another season. I was afraid and I didn't know what I was actually doing, and then after some time I will maybe have pictures from it, so maybe you will see it on the background. I decided to chop it to this height, yeah? So this is current height. I don't know what I was thinking at the time. I still liked this bend, yeah? I still liked this movement which is here. And over the years I was working on a tree and I somehow built those two apexes and those branches, and I was pulling this secondary trunk towards me with big clump, so it's more closer to the trunk. It was even more leaning there. I can tell you I never actually liked the tree, how it looks like. I still liked somewhat the secondary tree, but I never liked the main tree. And sitting here yesterday, I was charting the possible future for this tree. So here are the possible scenarios. One scenario is that I will continue to develop it how it is. But what is my main concern, that there is no division on subtrunks from approximately this point. I was solving this problem years ago with using one of the branches from here at thread grafting it through the trunk, and most probably this is the exit point where I wanted some kind of subtrunk to grow. The thread graft was growing successfully, and after 1 year, maybe too early, I removed the mother side of a thread graft and the thread grafted branch died. Maybe it was too early. This is reason number one. Maybe my kids were really small, were running in a tiny garden around the tree. They bumped into it and it was too fragile, and basically the connection with new trunk was lost. I don't know. One of two reasons. It died. Then I was trying to maybe regrow another long branch and do the thread graft. I was losing the patience with it. So now I have this few small stuff here which maybe will grow. This is option number one, and I will again try to thread graft some of those branches. I let them grow really long and try to thread graft and build some kind of secondary subtrunk here. Still, in my opinion, all this will look really awkward. I have this big chop here, and I really don't like the structure of this tree. This is option number one. The second option is that I will take really big saw, remove the top of the tree completely and regrow the new naturalistic structure of oak from this point. The problem with this approach is that I don't know if it will sprout or not. Most probably it will, but it's certainly a risky operation. Tell me in the comment section if you ever done something like this on oak, that I will chop everything off, and how the wound area will behave if I will get 1 branch or 5 or 10, I don't know. Maybe everything will die and I'm cooked. I will have to work only with this subtrunk. Then everything is ruined. So this is very risky operation, and another option is to accept this tree how it is, and since I don't like it, I just sell it to someone who would like to have this kind of twin trunk oak and work with that, with this structure which is here, and dedicate enough time and enough resources to do all necessary work to convert it to most probably the more conservative style oak, because on this kind of trunk it's very hard to build something naturalistic. So these are my options. I'm going to pull the background down. You will see the tree on a clear background. Let me know in the comment section what is your proposition. And in case it stay like this, which of those 4 future fronts you would choose in case it's your tree. So the tree looks like this. This is possible front number 1 from that camera. Something like this front number 2. Something like this front number 3. And something like this front number 4. Let me know if you would choose any of those fronts, or if you would choose to remove all the top. Also, there is one minor possibility that what I can try to do is to try to air layer it at this section, and I would have 2 oak trees. The problem is that air layering oak is not easy process according to what I found in online sources. Have you ever done this kind of air layering of oak? Have you been successful? Do you think it will work? Or it's waste of time? I'm afraid that in case I'm going to do air layering, I will start to do it in April, late April, wait for a few months, then see nothing is there, and then anyway remove the top and hope for new buds, which most probably in case I will go for air layering and I will remove the ring of the bark from here, in case the tree will respond well, something will pop up here and I can start to work with the branches which are here, and then I will need to have another maybe 15 to 20 years to build something naturalistic from this. This secondary tree could be done in a much shorter time, but building something from this kind of job will require maybe 1 or 2 decades at least. So since it's here, I was using this opportunity. Let me know. That's it from today oak episode. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.